up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be playing Monkeys Round. Yippee! Wait, is that guy a mod?
Are you making a YouTuber? Are you making a YouTube channel?
I'm a YouTuber.
What's your YouTube channel?
Crabug VR. CRAW.
Have you been making videos?
Yeah, I have. I have like 25 uploads.
Oh yeah, I know you.
Really?
I'm subscribed to you on my living room TV.
Oh really?
Oh, you little. Can I make the video with you?
Yeah, you're in it. You're in it.
Oh, get your stinky beefy self out of here, bro.
Yeah.
Why
We've actually met a fan IRL.
No, I'm not being no stink. Well, I'm gonna go somewhere close. Let's see how many.
Okay. Now
No way. What?
the video.
Wait, I got so many. No way.
bro.
Yo, come here. I'll show you how many bananas I have. Whoa.
How does he do
I
that?
have 7,000. I have over 7,000.
Well, I have 8,000. I have 8,000 bananas. How do you do that? How do you do that? Is that like a mod, like a power thing? How do you do that? Bro, stop. Ooh, how do you do that?
How do you take small?
How do you do it? How do you do it?
Stinky.
Oh, he's a mod. That's how. He's a mod. Let me get some powers.
I'm about to buy the mushroom.
You're bro. Yo.
I can finally get what I wanted. But that's a bit fun. Let's go! Oh, I have third person. I can't really.
No way to go bigger.
I got third person.
Bigger.
Oh crap. Wait, unequip that for a second. Whoa, hold up. Why can't I press any buttons? Oh my gosh, that's cool. I got third person.
How'd he get that one? How exactly? Like, where exactly you go to get the freaking thing?
I don't want to clip that though, just
I also have to clip speed boost. Tell me I can.
Like, what the heck is it, bro?
Ain't no way Bo just did that. What? What is this mouse doing? Nah, bro, I almost forgot to put on the
Yes.
skin. I look ugly. I look hideous, bro. There we go. Now I look dirty.
What
Son,
is it, Caillou?
I have come to talk to you. You are grounded. Yes, you hold
invisible.
me.
Oh my god.
You are grounded.
I am Zeus. Get in here. Oh my god.
Yes, I can. We're too big for this place.
Wait, what if I put my hand in there?
Wait, I want to see how high I can climb.
Oh, it's not that bad. Whoa, look at me, bro. I look so cool, bro.
Oh crap.
I'm gonna
dang.
take these off. These don't really
Oh
look.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa! I'm actually getting dizzy. I'm actually getting dizzy, bro. I'm actually getting dizzy. I'm actually getting dizzy. Whoa! How's J-Man?
hi,
J-Man! He's gonna kill me.
Come
here.
Wait, this is your normal size. You can't grow bigger?
I'm floating. And
Wait,
just so
yo,
you
I'm
know,
thin. Yes,
You know
I
what
am.
you
Yes,
feel?
I am.
I am the all
Thin.
I'm the all-kid god. I have 16,774 credits.
Alright, no, that's not bad. Say right now, I'm insane. Take me, you fat ass. can't catch me. You're back. Oh, over here is like a single like
You're Sussy Baka. You're Sussy Baka.
Is this you over here? Yo, are you good about this? No, you good? You don't see it? Alright, just look ready. Push away.
Don't touch me. What the heck is that? What the heck is that, guys?
No, he's frozen.
What the heck is that? Ah, shit.